Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. What an insane open for this morning. Let's turn this on. Let's get this set up. That was all set up for the paper trading competition. Mara opened at 22. MSTR opening at 300. Coin opening at 310. Tesla gapping up to 345. Palantir. Oh, this is going to be doing this to me because I was working on TradingView on my laptop. And PLTR opened up at 60. There might actually be some gap up potential here if you want to hunt for a quick move to 62. By the way, IWM on an intraday watch. If you hear some voices in the background, I am live also on X with a bunch of other traders. We do a live show, so we're doing both live shows at once, okay? Good morning, Jose. Hello. So I also swung some IWM futures, and those are paying right now. We got the huge gap up. It's beautiful. This is going to be a wild open, guys. This is going to be a wild open. Futures traders, keep an eye on IWM. We're about to join the Discord voice chat in a little bit. Bitcoin hit 82,000. Looks like it's giving us a little bit up this morning. But we are going to print this morning right off the bat. Right off the bat, I'm telling you that right now. We bought the MSTR calls. We swung them over the weekend. And we got 8 minutes. I'm going to snag some water real quick.
I appreciate you. And as always, all the speakers up here, feel free to jump into the conversation whenever you guys want to. We're going to be doing some live trading on time. Beautiful couple that you guys have. Awesome to have you back, though.
Thank you. I look forward to working with you guys again and making a bunch of money.
Oh yeah, how long were you there for? Within 2 weeks?
Yeah, 2 weeks. Yep. Yeah, we
Nice.
went to Italy, went to Rome, Florence, Amalfi, Positano.
New profile picture too, right?
Yeah, you already know, man. You already know. Gotta get that
Good.
cheese out there.
So I wanted to actually ask you something on that. Do you change how you trade at all when you're coming back from vacation? Like, is there a ramp up into you? Do you like make sure you don't like lose in your first trade or something? Is there anything
So
for you?
for me, like, so I did a session yesterday with my group, and you know, really what I just was reiterating was, you know, our core system. So really today, all I'm looking for are 10-minute CBC trades backed by 2-minute EMA charts, right? Just like we're driving hands on 10 and 2, and just focusing on the patient, because I know that, you know, I may be an eager trader to get back into
This MSTR gap up was my end of week target.
But I shouldn't let those, you know, eager emotions provoke me to take lower probability setups, right? I need to, you know, focus on my discipline, my patience, and being able to refrain from, you know, lower quality setups, right? Even though as enticing as they may be, I know that
PTBT gap to $5 too.
will keep me afloat in the long run.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Appreciate you, Maple. Hope you have a great day today, just as everyone else. Josh, you're the next person up here. Good morning, Mr. Josh. How are you doing today? What are you watching in this market?
I am doing fantastic. However, I was busy this morning because MSTR gapped to my end of the week target. Coinbase gapped to my end of the week target. Tesla gapped $15 higher than I thought. So I'm like rushing to recreate my morning playlist and everything. What a crazy market. I swung Mara, I swung BTBT, I swung MSTR over the weekend. So I'm going to be taking some profits right off the rip this morning on all of those, which is going to be an insane morning. I swung Russell futures as well. I took those early in the morning, and I'm probably going to be watching the Russell a lot as well during the day for some intraday setups. I'm going to be looking to also most likely play coin this morning for an extension over pre-market highs. Look for maybe some 330 calls over the morning. Actually, if we can even just get over like 314, I'll probably just go ahead and buy those. Looks like the RSI's had some nice resets this morning, so it looks like it could just rip all day. That'll be interesting to watch. Tesla, I think, can have a further extension as well. It maybe buy some 355s if we get over the pre-market high there, that 346.90 basically. And then I'm looking to also not let VKTX slip off my radar. If it gets over 70.48, I'm going to buy some $75 calls. I also just already have some long dated calls as well. I'm just looking to also capture some short term, maximize some returns there, because I think it's going to have a big run soon. I don't know if it'll be this week, but I'm going to be watching it every week. I'm not going to let it slip off my radar. And that's what I'm kind of scanning through here. You know, NVIDIA has kind of a nice morning setup too. Like it could get a morning pop, or maybe this one would be more likely to have a give and go under unlike the Bitcoin names that are just ready to take off. So I'm still kind of scanning through the charts because I had to remake my entire watch list since we got such insane gap ups. But I'm on cloud 9 right now.
I love it. I love it. Awesome. I appreciate you. Let's keep going around here because the market is about to open. Appreciate you, Josh. Casey, you watching anything as we head into the open?
Good morning, Coach.
Good morning.
I'm gonna watch a bunch of people take profits on crypto names. I expect them to, get some nasty red candles at the open. I think everyone's gonna be taking profits on names like BITX, Coin, ETU, and then also like MSTR. So I would expect a little bit of a retracement. I mean, it's absolutely insane. These names are fucking pumping. So Hood is also a good name to watch as well. I'm looking for a buy the dip opportunity on Hood. I'm also looking for a buy the dip opportunity on HIMS. I would like to get a full.
All right, guys, we got 2 minutes.
Like 23.50.
We got 2 minutes.
There. Other than that, I swung Microsoft and I also swung.
And
Affirm.
I need to get.
Affirm's getting a nice candle here. It was up like 2.3%. Now I'm seeing a nice green candle. It's up like 3.9. So Friday live stream.
Logged in here.
Calls at the bottom around 42.75. They closed up 50%. And the $50 calls for December.
I am loaded in BTBT. The fact it went to 5. We're going to take some profits on some stuff that we've been holding for a long time.
And then just kind of sit back. We got some data this week. CPI, PPI, jobless claims. So it could be a crazy week. So I'm not trying to get
SYM's also going to print.
You never want to get lost.
We're going to print everywhere, guys. We've just been printing money. How many people we got in the live stream? Are people excited right now? Are you guys on cloud 9?
Good morning, brother.
Are you freaking pumped? Every trade past week is absolutely printed, man. This market is on a whole other level. Like the stream. We're about to go nuts. I hope you're ready. I hope you can handle it. This is going to be crazy.
Have those two modes of price delivery, running or resting. Though at a huge run, so I'm anticipating some of that inside price action here. and potential retracements of those key breakouts that we broke out of
All right.
last week. So
6 seconds. 5 seconds.
Not letting it directly
And
influence as much
we
as I believe.
are live.
I'm not gonna let that
300% on MSTR.
play the chart as always, but I think that would be healthy price action, so I'm keeping an eye for that. But here we are open. Let's see what we got.
Ding, ding, bang. Ding, ding, ding. I like that you have the bell in the background.
And then we're off.
Affirm $50 calls. They're up over 100%.
Nice. Competition portfolio, let's see. This one should be nice.
There's got to be some kind of error here. FSL of 2,000%. No, did they reverse split or something?
Probably over a splitter, whatever. Competition portfolio.
BTBT up 90%. Mara up 50%.
MSTU. Look at MSTU. 20% overnight.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mikey.
Morning, Mikey.
Morning, Mike.
Good morning.
Morning, Mikey.
Morning, Mikey.
We're gonna take some Mara calls.
Morning, Mikey.
Buyers came to me
Good morning,
there.
Michael.
Hey.
They're buying premium. We're taking 60% on SYM. We're just gonna lock it in, man. I don't ever want to play the earnings. I'm just gonna take this gap up right here. And I'm gonna lock stuff in and be happy.
RIT, NYC American, MXT listing proceedings against National Health Properties.
I might be missing some stuff that's ripping, but I have to manage these profits because they're really good profits, okay? If we had just slightly gapped up, I'd be more focused on setting new plays. But since we have huge returns right now, I'm going to be more focused on locking some of this in.
And the conversations we have in the background are less so.
Trying to find my
That in
fills.
mind, just make sure when someone comes
Okay.
in to stop talking as quickly as you can, just because it's hard to hear if you're listening down below.
45. I'm not getting a fill on this MSTR, but it's maintained at 300%. I'm just trying to get a really good exit here.
Whatever. The paper gains down below. We got Mikey up here. Mr. Michael Naus. We haven't heard from you yet. I don't want to sabotage you by throwing it over to you, and then we have people, like 20 people come in with trades. But appreciate you joining us, and hope you definitely talk as much as possible here. Good morning. What are you watching? Oh, Michael, I can't hear you if you're talking.
Oh, we lost Michael now, but we have paper gains.
Was he talking the whole time, Michael?
I did not hear Michael.
I came in to ask Meg to check his DMs.
Looks like we're going to get over 300% on MSTR.
Just want to check in a little bit. I got you. My bad. I'm still catching up on everything.
Moving well. BTD up 2-3%. You said 130 calls?
132.
32.
I'm going to leave some of these open.
Mara $30 calls January.
Ooh, we don't get too many Kim plays. I might have to.
InQ, here's the previous day high again. Mid 260s.
BTBT also holding very well. Very, very, very well.
this baby down.
What'd you get in that, Kim?
$1.78, I believe.
Alright.
They have earnings this week, though, so.
The crypto companies, the Bitcoin company miners really have earnings, or do they just tell us Bitcoin and then move on?
Ticker HOM. 250 call, March 21st, 2025. Swing.
Mikey, I'm in those, baby. Let's go.
Let's go.
Wait, what ticker?
Honeywell.
Oh, okay. I heard HOM. That makes more sense.
Oh, honey, I'm doing well too.
Yeah, those 250 calls for March, the entry was like $85 on those. They're like over 2.
Starting out the day today, PayPal, all these stocks are at 52-week highs. PayPal, GM, Carnival, Royal Caribbean, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, MasterCard, Oracle, United Airlines.
So 350
The Dow is
10 minutes
flying.
CBC.
Tesla 360 call.
Where's Tesla at?
I bought deep into money.
Okay.
Close on Friday, and they are printing.
Shut up.
That's your film next.
All right. I almost done locking in profits, guys. We haven't opened any new trades right now. We're just kind of reacting to the market. Even my CRISPR came back.
For the first time since
I
November
don't know about it.
And you guys thought I was crazy when Coinbase was at $45, saying it's gonna go to 280, 300.
Oh, my too. I was not. It took me a while to come around on the broker and exchange businesses. Both.
You know, I didn't think you were crazy. I just prepared, loaded up, and now I'm printing.
Even CRISPR's back in the green, man. This is something else. This is absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Let's get this chart up.
Yeah, Michael requesting back up.
Sorry, guys. I know the charts are a bit of a mess, but CRISPR ripping right off the open here, too. I am just going to go ahead and take some minor profits on this. I'm just going to take some partials here for 215 December 20th contracts, okay? I'm still moving fast. And I'm just making sure I get locked in and I don't get kind of screwed on some of these premiums. I get some good returns here. So that's what my objective is. And I'm doing this across multiple accounts. So we're moving. Small account, by the way, is at $426. That's what we love to see. That is freaking beautiful. Up 133% on BT. And we're up 27% on Mara. And it looks like DJT is not doing what we want. We're just going to take a quick look at that because we're just managing some positions at this morning. Looks like it's coming back down. We're not going to worry about that right now. We're going to let it do its thing. Apple selling aggressively right off the open. That's interesting. What's QQQ doing? I'm going to turn down them real quick on the live stream there. All right, so it looks like Tesla has a nice RSI reset, honestly. So does Coin. So looks like some Coin Lottos are the call this morning. Let's take a look at these. Let's also do a call out. Biotech ripping CRISPR at 55 right now. I am in some December 20th calls. For the $60 call, I think weeklies or monthlies. I don't like playing these too short term, but I think monthlies could really print too. It's ripping hard right now. All right, I didn't close my CRISPR right now, but I wanted to do that call out for the X live stream. I am going to actually now start closing these because look at the RSI right here. So this is actually when I start taking profits. I talked about it, had it, done it. I'm just a talker. I'm like a chihuahua. I'm just barking, but now I'm actually making a move. Watch out, I bite. Let's see here. Let's see if we can get these. We're going to set those to close. We actually got the fill there. That's beautiful. We got the fill there. We locked that in for a nice 30% right there. We got to let the Discord know. Type that out. Lots of things. Lots of moving parts. All right. We're going to take a look at all these coin weeklies. Look at the chart. Hopefully this hasn't run away from me too much. It still looks fine. Nice reset on the RSI. Watch Bitcoin. Bitcoin's got a moon, man. Okay, we gotta do this. Oh, these are so expensive. We're at 3.
As we get to the 230, so this is the we're in the gap now. This is all-time high. was previous all-time high.
Sweet, thank you.
I'm gonna hold off on this. I can't hold off on this. I'm gonna have to swallow the bullet and buy the.
By the way, Tesla also flipped Taiwan Semiconductor. That was a larger one.
Actually, let's see here. What's this doing, huh?
Wolf also just woke up for anyone who's
Looks good. BTPT looks good as well.
How was
Micro is just kind of selling a bit.
LUMN.
Is Apple still being? What was it? What was the news?
Rubric ripping too. Love it.
That's not relevant. It's the sell-off we're getting. Meta also selling this morning.
MindMed, MNMD. You just triggered that for momentum strategy.
Microsoft sideways.
MNMD.
Tesla leading.
40% short.
Nvidia down. Watch the pre-market here.
Might be getting nervous.
Traded that
I
before
want
that.
this to tell me.
Yeah. This is a very short term.
I want this to tell me if that breaks that pre-market low. Okay. Okay.
50% in just a couple days.
I'm about to hop in Discord here
Might be getting a little nervous.
as well. We're gonna hear from them.
I'm gonna take some Kim's $30 calls. Scale into these if it starts to pull back.
SMCI looks set up for some downside.
I use the same system as
Let's look at
data that's provided to
home builder related
the
stocks.
And for MindMed, MNMD, it says that the float is 71 million, and the short interest is only 14%. That's why you're seeing such a large increase. They don't care.
Gotcha. Okay. So there must have been a
DraftKings.
some slower to update.
Man, I hate Carvana, man. I'm gonna argue with it. Though.
By the way, I actually think I said this. Tesla's larger than Taiwan Semi now. Only 300 billion behind Facebook.
Hood ripping. Tesla is moving. Congrats if you bought the 355s. I just had to manage all those profits, dude. Guys, okay. We made so much money off the rip. Usually, and this is very important, guys. Usually, when the market opens and you have winners, you want to focus on things that are moving and opportunities over taking profits. Okay, what I did is very atypical. It was simply because every single position gapped up huge. And so I have to lock some of that in because I had lots of positions that ran way harder than I thought they would over the weekend. I did expect the gap up. I did expect Bitcoin to be bullish, so I had positions set up, but they ran so fat that it's just one of those times where it's like, okay, I have to react to this, okay? But I just want to say, for new traders, for people looking to learn, typically you want to be chasing winners, okay? Especially if you have, let's say, the market open and I had a bunch of losing positions. I'm just going to focus on new opportunities and focus on making some money and things that are going to outpace that, especially if there's really good setups in the morning, all right? If there isn't really good setups, then you just manage what you got, right? So we could see QQQ is actually getting some weakness here. It's getting some pullbacks. Bitcoin seems to be rejecting. This actually looks like a pretty good thing that we didn't chase anything yet. It looks like Tesla wants to continue to be an outperformer. I don't know what they're talking about on the live streams. Sounds like they're short. They're talking about this gap fill. I heard the word gap fill. That's what they're talking about. It's this right here. So they're playing that to the downside right now. But we're hunting. We're doing our own thing. We just made so much money, man. Okay. Now we're getting some retracements. So I'm glad we didn't chase coin. These contracts were stupid expensive on coin. So I'm actually really, really happy that they are doing. What in the actual fuck just happened? Did DJT get paused? What is this?
DJT has halted again. They like to halt that one.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what just happened. My DJT puts went up 200,000%.
There's my last trump.
Alright, SPX, I'm looking for $60 for contract gain. I'm gonna sell half, pushing into the pre-market.
My DJT calls are up 200,000%.
Yeah, the pivot point on NQ, I believe there's some golden fibs right around this area too. So
Alright, there's the bill breaker. Beautiful under 200. Alright, I'm gonna take it all off. 75-point gain NQ. I'm all out. GG's 1,500 bones.
It's such nonsense that they halt this. It's not even over pre-market highs. Come on, guys. Even I'm short, not that big of a pussy. That's crazy. Look at this. Look at this stream. You see this? Look at that. It's up. Oh, 20,000%. I had an extra digit there for dramatization, I guess. It's funny.
Say what?
Bath and Body Works, not Bed Bath and Beyond. That's what
I looked over at my account and I was like, whoa, what just happened? And I'm looking at my total net worth. It's spiked. All right.
Bath and Body Works. Just
It's not real. We got to ignore it.
Bed Bath and Beyond.
They still have them here?
Yeah, we still have one super busy, actually.
Interesting. Yeah, I did mean Bath and Body Works. Thank you for that, Michael.
I'm out half of MU puts. I'm gonna put my stop at break even on the rest. I'm gonna target 105 downside pick.
Nice exit maple on that bill breaker.
Thank you,
Looking
sir.
for
Thank you, sir.
potential longs on YM and then pulling back here.
Continuation on NQ type of trade, I would not want it to bounce back over like the 230s or so.
Oh, what a morning, guys. Okay.
Spot to close this last runner out. I did make a post last night using probabilities and data that we would fill this gap on NQ. It was a 93% chance based on the last 2 years of data. That's up top if anybody wants to check that out. And I responded with the completed chart.
3290 point out. Open highs at 4% Delta Juliet Tango. NOx making more highs now. $7.10 of about. Gonna take a light trim on the Hims call too. Oscar. And Excel, excellent. Share with me, Zooming. Way down about 6%.
Berkshire Hathaway back over 1 trillion too.
Alright, SPX broke pre-market low. $200 per contract gain. I'm gonna sell a little more. Quarter position.
Yeah, we're now about 20 minutes in. 11 minutes to that opening.
I need to add
I
some of
don't
these
think we have
2027
anything coming in
contracts
today
to
at 10 a.m. Eastern.
this account.
Whoa.
They're not offering that. What in the world? They're not offering that for real? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Anybody needs further downside targets, I do have 168-ish, 170, 160s as a pre-key
These are
spawn
being
NQ,
these are so
and
there's a
then,
lot of sellers here and these are staying up,
basically
okay? People for sure took
135
profits
to 145,
and these
that
are
area
staying
is a big
strong.
area as well. There was a massive amount of liquidity sitting there all night.
Okay, we got to get into the Discord chat by the way. We got to say hi to the other traders. We've been gone too long. We got Good morning,
I could
guys.
go short.
How are we all
Good
doing?
morning.
We're doing good, sir. How about
Chilling.
I good. I am live on YouTube, by the way, just so you guys all know. Okay.
you? Yes, I was there.
Still pushing.
All right.
bro.
Cool. We made an absolute freaking killing this morning. Who's
Let's go.
excited?
LE, $96 call, November 15th.
Yeah, I don't know what the heck's up with the tracker, Josh. It's saying that it's getting it. It's just failing to send it over to the website. So we'll figure out what's up with that.
Oh, good.
Natgas took a huge move up today.
My God. Affirm.
$50 calls, baby. Let's go.
Oh yeah, that
I'm
thing's
gonna
going
fuck around
nuts.
right now with 55s.
I'll roll my profits from the 50s into that bucket.
Okay. Let me go.
Is the firm over 50?
She's at 50-60.
Oh shit, they're in the money. Fuck. I gotta pull my account. Oh shit.
Increase race here.
Oh my god, let's fucking go.
Right?
Oh, they're at 540.
Come on, GTG, you bitch.
I don't even know if I want to read NQ right now.
I'm gonna roll the profits from the last
Yeah.
50s.
Austin, do you think we might be able to short ES here and just wait for the gap fill? Because NQ already did.
Whoa.
Tempting.
$37 for your video.
Tempting. I see. We'll stay away then. It looks like almost a bear flag on 1 minute.
Looks like I already filled the
But-
gap.
Huh?
I just got out of an NQ short.
I can fill the gap.
Yeah, NQ filled the gap.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I said let's wait for the ES to fill the gap.
My God.
I made money going down on NQ filling that gap. I made money on that one.
Spies barely green. That's surprising.
Now I was asking if we should
All right, I'm gonna take it.
try to short ES here. Almost a bear flag on 1 minute, but ES is a lot stronger.
Maybe it was a couple of months ago on PayPal.
Yeah, a while ago. Same thing if you remember when Tesla was like at 150, I called it those $500 swings.
I do remember that.
Tempting to get in, bro.
NQ could continue to go down, but the RSI is so oversold right now too.
Go ahead.
It's also just kind of chilling down there.
BLTR, $70 call, November 15th.
Jesus. Somebody was asking about the ES gap fill stats, the same as in Q.
I just pulled them. ES does have a 10-point gap lowest still. And
Let's just wait.
1% chance we fill that throughout the day today.
Mike, I saw 64 PLTR for 11:15.
Let's go.
Up almost 50% here on the IBs, $30 calls.
20%.
152% on the 50s.
What about the 55s?
I haven't entered just yet.
Alright, well,
I'm about to. I'm about to.
I hope she pulls back for you so you can get in. If not, well, congratulations on the 50s. I'll fire.
Appreciate you, buddy.
What is Bitcoin, Brent? It was at 82.5.
82.45 right now. Yeah, still
Wolf,
trying
what's
to push
everyone?
over pre-market high, but struggling to close above. I need to see a strong close over 347, otherwise sellers will be exhausted, or buyers will be exhausted. Excuse me.
MSTU is up 21% right now. Yeah, 21.
I love it.
AMRK just came through a revision to the mean algorithm that I have, so just looking to buy a dip here. It's a precious metals company, so it's going to be pretty slow and boring, but down a fair bit. Gold's taken a bit of a tumble after the election, and if things are going to start to chill out and revert, might be a good one to take a look at here. It's AMRK.
Dude, Austin, you know what's the crazy thing is? Bitcoin is
What?
still above 82.
Yeah, it's insane.
Yeah.
It's absolutely insane, guys.
Golly.
The small count gapped up huge, 34% gap up on the small count.
Dude, AMD, Meta, Nvidia, everything's dumping. Amazon, Apple.
I was looking for, we just hit 173. That was close enough for government.
Except Tesla. Tesla's still holding strong up there. Ooh, 345 today.
Mikey, what expiration did you take? This week's?
This week's, yeah.
Yes, you're just a little bit too aggressive for me.
Apple and Nvidia new lows.
Go to a firm, go to the daily, draw that trend line, right around 42.
Dude, NQ could go on a 46-point low right here.
XLE, new high day.
Who's kicking Apple into the balls right now? My goodness.
The Samsung Galaxy Fold 6.
And the Huawei,
You're closing the Tesla $400 calls, 1900%. Great fucking job.
I mean, the indexes are dumping and Bitcoin isn't. It's actually incredible, the strength here.
I got more off on YM than 100 points now on the long chain. Nice trade, Sharky. Keeping my eye on it because I'm managing the sell position, but it's on the rise here.
Money is going to pour into crypto names here. Okay.
Yeah, your
We gotta
venture
do some
holds
resets
2%
here.
today. XLM. Alright, there's officially I got a scale of 100 points there.
Alright, I'm gonna roll some of the profits into the $55 calls for a firm November 22nd here.
Gotta get the 30-minute close on this first candle.
We haven't had a green 5-minute
candle tech yet. Oh, shit.
that Russell swing. Dude, everything printed. Wow.
Alright, it's 10 a.m. now. Oh, 9 a.m. Sorry. Eastern.
Oh,
Nope, it's 10 a.m.
yes. Mr. Strong Man here.
Whoa.
Wow.
Yeah.
Bitcoin moving higher, almost at 83, 82.6. I think this would still be.
We just got a cross on the hourly on NQ, guys.
What's my ETU doing, paper? Up 15% today.
Someone just following you right now. To be fair, I'm just like, I got so much shit to do right now. I'm not even trading. Some of these names are so funny. Someone just followed me. His name is Ding-a-Ling Dong.
Let's go. Honeywell breaking out this little bull flag here.
Holy crap, Coinbase almost hit my fucking 320 target.
Mikey, are you still bullish on you?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Oh my gosh, dude. I sold those Coinbase calls for like 80%. Now they're up like fucking 500%.
So
Jeez.
we did, if you guys remember, SoFi
We caught all of it. We caught all of it. We sold the MSTR for some of the traders went to 500%. I don't even know what I sold at. I think I sold mine for over 300. It might have been 340, might have been or so. I don't even know. I had so many positions that printed this morning.
Josh, it was like, it's hard to keep up with all of them.
Yeah. Well, everything ran. Even CRISPR, which was down 50%, took 30%.
That's insane. Everybody, all the futures trader, are y'all still waiting? Or are y'all in any kind of position?
CRISPR's still running, by the way.
I've just been scalping NQ on the way down, collecting $100 here and $100 there.
Nice. Austin, you still waiting, brother?
Yeah, I'm just chilling.
Context is so important.
Palantir now has a larger market cap than Lockheed Martin.
Let me know. Josh, let me know when you take a trade next.
TTD pushing for that high a day.
Curious why this thing's being weird today.
Okay. Yeah, I'm proceeding with caution this morning with these sell-offs, but it's not hitting Bitcoin, so I'm cautiously like doing some, cautiously wanting to buy some. Bitcoin's pushing higher. Finally getting a first red candle. The market's keeping the crypto names kind of suppressed here. Let's set some alerts. Starting to wake up now. I'm just gonna set the alert.
Ticker FDX, 295 call.
I mean, HUT is just going straight up this morning.
is gonna open in 10 minutes.
That's what I'm seeing. I haven't got a report, but that's what I'm seeing.
Gotta be impatient here, YouTube, okay? All my fears is that FOMO kind of kicks in and we kind of take some bad positions. I'm sorry, I just walked away, Mike, when I was talking about that. I was pacing. One of my fears is that we kind of FOMO too hard, okay, into this stuff. We end up taking back positions, giving money back to the market. So I'll wait for clarifications. I'll wait for rallies to confirm. We set our alerts. We should probably just be keeping an eye on the big tech here and just kind of see how it goes, because QQQ is getting a pretty substantial pullback here. This is not my expectation for this week, but it's not really also reflective of a lot of names. Biotech is ready right now. Finance is ready right now. We saw a firm taking off this morning. Firm still taking off this morning. There's plenty of names still moving, so the underline for the market is still strong. I think that this could still turn out to be a fake out. The dips could be bought. We can see the RSI, though, keeps resetting, which tells you that the QQQ could go a little bit lower this morning. Really set up like a nice bear trap, maybe.
Dude, look at the futures chat, Josh. Oh, the FOMO of everything stopped me from taking any shorts. It's exactly what I said on the night. Damn it!
Yeah, this is what you said last night also.
Oh, that's so annoying, dude. Just the FOMO of the market just kept me from taking any shorts. And that's exactly what I was looking for. Fuck.
We should get some type of green candle first.
If RSI would come down almost to halfway on 1 minute or so, bro, I'm willing to take on that short, but because we could still go down to that hourly lows on the November 8th.
ES coming into the overnight low here.
Now watch to see if they start to step in around this area on spot. Still looking for this breakdown on the MU. I still have half my position. Want to see it's consolidating some potential bear flag.
Nelson, you think we could go to the November 8th lows on the hourly? That candle? That's about 2123.
Oh, is that the bottom on NQ?
For right now, it looks like.
Nice bounce on QQQ so far off that level. Nice little retracement on SPY. Straight back.
Did ES give up that much at all? No, it did not. What the heck?
Yeah, there we go. And the candle's flipping green here.
All right, things are waking up now.
Nice spot for that. Now watch to see if Q's can back test 513.50. For a short, watch SPY back test 599.25. Short, a lower high, continue this continuation downside.
Thank you, it's pumping now. Well, it's good. Yes.
Release from NASDAQ actually that confirms it.
Here we go, firm. Those calls, those 55s at 120 or the 150 here.
Yes, sir.
That did big.
Why the motherfuckers do?
Your Bitcoin.
GME $30 calls for this week. Now we're gonna do GME $40 calls for this week. I see over 1,000 contracts loaded in the shop.
Yeah. Holy shit, NQ's ripping right back up. Just needs to get above those.
Bitcoin 82.9. Oh, it's moving.
Bitcoin's
ES
still moving.
ripping back up. ES is ripping back up as well.
Got remainder of SPX there in profit.
And I will say, Mikey, I looked back on TTE like 5-10 minutes after you called it out. It was down. So people have the opportunity to get in.
Wow, NQ came up and touched the low range right there.
My trade tracker isn't working. Oh, never mind, it is.
Oh, fuck. Oh, okay, cool. I was about to be like, what the hell is it doing? He was impatient. It didn't post for half a second. It's not working.
MSTR ripping. MSTR absolutely fucking ripping. Money is still the appetite. The appetite.
No. Heck.
Not a bad ad spot for a scalp. Quick one.
NQ just can't hold on, man.
Ticker UPST.
What the heck? Do not be a boring chopping day today, brother. We seen that on Friday, and we'll sit here and see that again.
You know, you guys can trade futures on Bitcoin and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't have to play NQ. You can play the Russell too.
That is true, but we like to torture ourselves with NQ.
I've played some other stuff this morning.
Man, NQ just gave up that moment in one candle. That momentum was just taken out. Still, let's just rate it. Man, I caught a little bit of bounce. Oh, Google just straight up.
Coin now breaking out. I cannot get fills.
Mara's over 23. Jesus.
Yeah, Mora is pushing a little bit. What about BT?
Why am I
Dude,
not getting
is
fills? Fill
BT is
me.
up $1.16, 26% for the day. Yeah, we got a cross on 1 minute on NQ. Yep, got taken out.
MSTR is squeezing.
Oh yeah, Bitcoin squeezing.
Bitcoin over 83.
Hey Mikey, can I request Pump It Up to be played right now?
Yes, sir.
Bitcoin, new all-time high.
Oh man.
Our swinging calls are up 680% or 400s for December 20th are up 700%. The 420, 600%. I got too many good lists to be honest with you. We got $500 calls.
Bitcoin's just going fully parabolic right now. Holy. Insane, dude. I'm setting up new crypto calls. I'm sorry, I'm not calling stuff out for YouTube. I'm sorry, YouTube. I'm sorry. Well, I set up some HUT calls. I set up some BT. Well, I'm trying to get filled on some BT. I did set up some MSTR. I gave it 2 weeks, and I went from some crazy lottos. Okay, crazy lottos on MSTR. I gave him 2 weeks to play out. It's a very expensive name, right? But it makes very crazy moves. My end of week target was 300. It's 308 right now. Insane. That's a 50-point jump. It can do crazier things.
Full flagging on NQ. But the trend is down, so.
I got filled in the BT. Let's go.
Let's go.
HUD is up 16%. Affirm still parabolic, man. I probably should have taken those 55 calls. Just trying not to let massive profits fuck my head. Trying to still take some positions. The likelihood is that all these Bitcoin-related names and Bitcoin continue to go higher. Look at that strength, man. That's something else. That's unreal. Is that Superman? Is that a plane? Is it a bird? No, it's Bitcoin.
No, it's Bitcoin. It's none of that. It is the Bitcoin.
I've got December 20 for December $20 calls.
highly unusual coin calls coming in 400 strike.
Thank you for going lower here and there. Or not lower, but just try to.
I gotta move that.
Dude, the bear bullflag is on 3 minute and 1 minute, but the trend is
Yeah,
still
it just broke it.
yeah. No, not on 3 minute. It did at 1 minute.
This is a complete lotto for as of right now, but I took those calls that Kim was just talking about with CLSK. I just hit one at $40. Very small position.
I'm gonna try MSTR. God help me. MSTR 420 call November 15th.
I'm for it. I'm still holding all my MST competition portfolio. Almost on the play.
Hi, it's up 24% here.
Alright, spy new low of day. Full top and short, baby.
TTT.
Butt. Made a little butt coin.
Go that gap, baby. CRSP. TTD.
Thank you again.
Those for $55 calls are up 146%.
Dude, I know. Oh my god.
Damn, Bitcoin's still going.
Yes.
Classic NQ. Come down, step everyone out, and then fucking rip it.
Yeah. Dude, Bitcoin is just ripping.
Did you not know that Bitcoin makes sense on the weekend, Mikey?
Of course I knew that, dude. But I was.
Will this count as a break? We're not seeing any movement. Okay, there we go. That's the movement.
Haven't had a red trade this morning so far. Not doing too bad.
You scalping, I'm guessing?
Yeah, I'm in Bitcoin longs now too.
Nice. We do have a break, but it's breaking higher, but I don't know if I would take that.
I'm sorry. This ticker is time for it to fucking move.
MSTR calls are up 46% right here. It just keeps giving. And it doesn't stop.
Awesome. We have like almost a bear flag going on 3 minute and a 5
It
minute.
just keeps giving, baby. Go on, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Come on, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Gotta pump it up. It's the gift that keeps giving, man. No Indian givers here. Not to, not racist. All love.
HR.
Never mind. There's one right there. That's over the pun. I should. I don't know if I should stop or if I should keep going. I'm confused.
Where's the HR at? Oh man, what am I gonna do? Dude, Apple's still trying
All
to
right,
dump
guys.
me over.
We're just letting stuff play out, okay? We're just letting stuff play out. We're not making a lot of moves. Market looks like it's trying to bounce. It's trying to consolidate, but it could push lower. Bitcoin's finally having some pullbacks. I'm going to go ahead and take some profits just because I'm already up 15%, and these contracts are stupid expensive. So I'm going to lock some stuff in here.
Yeah, I got stopped out there on Bitcoin, but still up on that, so.
Nice, there you go.
Oh man.
I'm kind of waiting for silver to play out. Silver's sitting in a channel right
Looks
now.
like MSTR is going to make me really move for this. I'm going to give a lot of profits back, but I want the fill.
They're gonna make you work for it, Josh.
Come on, pump it up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, demand is like evaporating. What's going on?
And Q is just
I'm gonna wait for this to
pumping
come
you.
back. I'm gonna wait for this to come back up. Pump it back up.
Pump it back up.
What striking date?
Okay, we gotta keep waiting.
Hey, I want a chop market.
You went to the best market, eh?
What did I get on that? Tell me, bud.
Nothing fun.
30%? Well, I don't even know. I was just staring at the contract prices. But what they
Who
are
even
trade
needs to use their own calculator when we got a bot for it now?
Yeah. Why would we do the
Goal-
hard math?
Goal is minimize brain activity for maximum profit.
Oh man. Alright, dude. Look at NQ with the triple top on 1 minute right there. This is so choppy.
All right, we're gonna end the live stream, guys. It's 9:30. We got lots of profits this morning. If you're feeling FOMO and you're like, "What? Josh made so much money this morning on all those swings he had, but it wasn't in the live stream because we were in the Discord on Friday, even though the Discord was completely free." I expect you to stop feeling FOMO and to start making money. Visit the link in the bio, okay? I'll talk to you all there. Peace out. And most importantly, as always,